Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we're going to tell you about our Soften and Condition hair combo. The Soften and Condition combination contains both Hibiscus and Amla powders. This combination can make your hair feel and look more soft and can help moisturize your hair and scalp too. So let's get into how to mix it up. First you will need a non-metallic bowl. We're using a glass bowl. Then you are going to want to measure out both the Hibiscus and Amla powder. We recommend about 4 tablespoons of each, or about 50-50. However, this doesn't have to be exact. Measurements are based upon your hair length. Full measurements will be provided in the description box. You can also add in more or less of the particular powder, depending on your preference. We will be using about a half a pack of each Hibiscus and Amla powders for this mixture. After you have poured them in the bowl, you will need to add in your liquid. Slowly add in the liquid and stir. You will want to have a batter-like consistency, so stirring is key. It will take several minutes of stirring to have the desired texture. While we're stirring, let's talk about how your hair can benefit from the Soften and Condition combination. With regular use, this combination can help to prevent frizz, help to prevent breakage, softens hair, soothe, and moisturize the hair and scalp. By including the hibiscus powder, it can help to strengthen the roots, promote hair growth, helps to condition the hair, removes dandruff, and can help to prevent baldness. Amla powder is great for adding shine, helping to add texture to your hair, conditions the scalp, helps to boost natural curls and wavy hair, and coats and nourishes the hair and scalp. These benefits can be seen with regular use of the Soften and Condition hair combination. You can also add both hibiscus and amla powders directly into your henna mixture. You would measure out the henna powder as normal, then you would add in 2 tablespoons of both hibiscus and amla powders. It's been several minutes and now the mixture has a very smooth texture. You will need to let it rest for about 10 minutes prior to application. When applying the Soften and Condition your hair combination, you will need to start from the roots of your hair and work your way down to the ends. Ensure that each strand is fully coated with the hair mask. Then you would leave on your hair for 30 to 45 minutes. After that time, you would rinse, working from the ends up to the roots. You can use a mild shampoo when rinsing your hair. For best results, repeat once to twice weekly. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.